Video opens with a close-up shot of a classic piggy bank, overflowing with $100 bills. The lighting is warm and reassuring. We're taught to believe that safety looks like this: a full piggy bank, a padded savings account, a nest egg tucked away where it can't be touched. We think we're protecting our future, building a fortress of financial security brick by careful brick. But what if that fortress is built on sand? The piggy bank cracks. The bills inside begin to fray and turn to dust, blown away by a gentle, invisible wind, symbolizing inflation. The screen fades to black. Scene opens in a dimly lit room. The saver, a cautious-looking man in a beige sweater, sits at a simple wooden desk. He understands that money, left idle, is a depreciating asset. He's not just saving, he's deploying his capital like a general commanding an army. He studies markets, analyzes trends, and seeks out opportunities for growth. Whether it's in stocks that represent ownership in the world's most innovative companies, or real estate that provides tangible value and cash flow, his focus is on expansion. His world is not about holding on, it's about moving forward. He embraces calculated risk not for the thrill, but for the potential of substantial reward, knowing that true security comes from growth, not stagnation. The scene shifts back to the saver. The dollar bills from his desk rise up and form the bars of a cage around him. He looks trapped and worried, clutching his small pile of money as it slowly shrinks. The fundamental difference between these two men is their mindset. The saver is trapped by a scarcity mindset. He sees the world as a place of limited resources and potential loss. His primary goal is not to lose what he has. This fear drives him to seek guaranteed safety, even if that guarantee means his purchasing power is slowly being eroded by inflation. His cage isn't made of steel, but of fear, the fear of risk, the fear of the unknown, the fear of making a mistake. He's so focused on protecting his small pile that he fails to see the vast opportunities for growth that lie just beyond the bars of his self-imposed prison. We cut to the investor. He confidently walks towards the dollar bill cage. With a single, decisive gesture, he pulls the bars apart. The bills transform, rearranging themselves into a golden bridge that extends from his feet towards a gleaming city skyline in the distance, representing financial freedom. The investor, however, lives with an abundance mindset. He understands that value is not just preserved, it is created. He sees the economy not as a zero-sum game, but as an expanding universe of possibility. He knows that taking calculated risks is the only way to outpace inflation and build genuine lasting wealth. By turning his capital into a Tula bridge, he's not just protecting his assets, he's building a pathway to a future he designs. He breaks free from the cage of fear because he has replaced it with knowledge, strategy, and a belief in future growth. This is the shift from a defensive crouch to an offensive stride. The screen splits. On the left, the saver is now seated at his desk. But this time he's studying a book titled Introduction to Investing on his laptop. A small, hopeful smile appears. On the right, the investor is at his screen, diversifying his portfolio by adding new assets like renewable energy stocks and international bonds. The good news is that the cage is never locked. You can choose to step out. It starts not with your money, but with your mindset. Begin by educating yourself. Shift your goal from simply not losing money to actively making your money grow. Start small, understand the power of compounding, and diversify your approach. Don't just work for your money, put your money to work for you. Because in the long run, the greatest risk isn't investing, it's not investing at all. The screen fades to black, with a final quote appearing in bold white text. The goal isn't more money. The goal is living life on your own terms.